These are the Vader Pro earbuds. This is the box they come in. I just opened up on me. It does come with some extra earbuds because these do fit into your ear. They really seal. And it comes with this little contraption here because it actually is adjustable. So you can adjust the frequencies up here, like your old, your old radios. You can adjust all the frequencies. You can do that on here. So I have played with these. These actually do work. At first I was wondering if they actually did anything. So I took them out, played with them, put them back in, and you can hear a difference. One setting, it sounded like there was music coming from all over. Another setting, it sort of dampened it down. These do wrap around your ear and sort of fit in like professional grade earbuds, okay? So really nice, it's how they fit in there, you know. These have 3 drivers, basically, which means they have 3 mini speakers in there, one for treble, one for bass, and one for mid frequencies, I believe. And they look really neat. They're like super, definitely, high-end looking. And they do come off of these. So you can pull this off. And what this enables you to do is buy a Bluetooth receiver. So then these become completely wireless. Obviously right now they're on a wire. And they do come with a microphone. And this has, of course, 2 microphones because everything about these is high-end. It's got one in the front and one in the back. It also has a button here and like an auxiliary button that allows it to be like muted and unmuted. So really nice, really nice earbuds, really nice cable. Check them out.